Ever wondered how mornings in Iran really look? Let me show you. Welcome to Tabriz. Sunrise, friends, and breakfast under the Tabriz sky. This is Iran you haven't seen before. We start our morning right here, at the famous Tabriz clock tower. And we're heading to a beautiful park for breakfast with friends. From the heart of Tabriz to a hidden park full of life and laughter. Starting the day at Tabriz's clock tower. And trust me, the place we're going next is worth it. We're on our way to a beautiful park where friends are already gathering for breakfast. It's early morning and the city is just waking up. You can feel the calm, the freshness. It's like the air itself is smiling. As we drive through the morning streets of Tabriz, the sunlight touches the golden and green leaves. It's that perfect mix of summer and autumn. You know, Tabriz is known as one of the cleanest cities in Iran. People here really care about keeping their city clean. That's what makes Tabriz so beautiful. And here we are. This is Bagshar Park, one of the most peaceful places in Tabriz. We've just arrived at Bagshar Park. The air is fresh, the sun is warm, and it's the perfect spot for a morning gathering. A beautiful green corner of Tabriz where families come to relax and share breakfast together. Let's walk inside the park. I'm heading to meet my friends for breakfast. Come with me, we're stepping into Bagshar Park to join my friends and enjoy a lovely morning together. Here's the beautiful entrance of the park. It says Bagshar Tabriz right above the gate. Welcome to Bagshar Park, one of Tabriz's most beautiful green spots. Let's go inside and see what's waiting for us. Look at this sweet moment. The parents are celebrating their child's birthday here in the park with a shiny new toy car as a gift. Wow, a mini white BMW. What a cool gift. This little one must be so happy today. Here's our colorful breakfast spread, shared with my dear friends from Tabriz. Look at this beautiful breakfast table. Morning in Tabriz tastes even better when you're with friends. Fresh homemade bread from my friend, local eggs, cheese, and a variety of jams. This is a true Tabriz breakfast. Sharing this breakfast with friends makes it even better. Nothing beats fig jam with local homemade bread in the morning.
ناهی جون نونو خودت درست کردی؟
بله نون محلیه تا عصر سیری دیگه
دست در نکنه.
Look at them, smiles, laughter, and stories filling the air. This is what mornings in Tabriz feel like. Sipping tea on a crisp autumn morning, surrounded by laughter and friendship. This is Tabriz life. These colorful knits are all made by my friend. She's proudly sharing her handmade art with us. It's another cozy autumn day, and yes, another breakfast with my amazing, fun Tabriz ladies. Once again, tasty homemade bites to begin this lovely autumn morning.
چرا ماسک زده؟ کی؟ الهام آره سلام عزیزم خوبی؟
One by one, the children arrive, bringing even more joy to this beautiful morning. Look at this beautiful breakfast spread, warm bread, aromatic tea, and a variety of tasty goodies. This is Iran, colorful, and full of everyday moments worth seeing. In Iran, people find peace and happiness in everyday moments, surrounded by friends and family. In Iran, life flows quietly yet beautifully, where people find joy in simple mornings, gather in parks under the shade of tall trees, share laughter with friends and family, and cherish every small moment that makes their days warm and full of color. If you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more beautiful moments from Tabriz and all over Iran. On my channel, I share videos about traveling and exploring beautiful places in Iran, so please like, comment, and subscribe to follow along on all my adventures. Explore and Food brings you fascinating videos from Iran showing the country's beauty, culture, and everyday life. It's still early in the morning here in Tabriz. The park feels peaceful, with cool fresh air and soft sunlight touching the trees. Some people are already here, starting their day with light exercises and morning stretches, while the city slowly wakes up around them. The park is full of beauty, tall pine trees standing proudly beside the paths, and trumpet-shaped flowers blooming in soft morning light. Their gentle colors and fresh scent make the air feel even more alive. There's a special kind of peace here, the kind that gently wraps around you as you breathe in the cool air. The sound of rustling pine leaves, the soft light falling through the branches, and the scent of blooming flowers all come together to calm the heart. In this quiet corner of Tabriz, time seems to slow down, and people just sit, breathe, and enjoy the beauty around them. Dear friends, close your eyes for a moment, enjoy the silence, and soak in the beauty of life. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.